Hello everyone, today we discuss penalty in LPP. To understand the penalty in LPP, first of all we have to understand artificial variable technique. So let's discuss two cases. First, if all constraints were less than equal to type, the coefficient of select variable is either 0 or 1. Okay, but if the constraint were greater than equal to type, then the coefficient of select variable will be either -1 or 0 in the standard format. So it will not get a unit matrix. Then we have to introduce a new type of variable which is known as artificial variable, and this technique is known as artificial variable technique. Penalty big M method. This method is also called as a big M method. Why it is called big M method and penalty? Let's discuss. So first of all, when we have to use this technique, so if constraint is a greater than equal to type, uh, you have a constraint is a greater than equal to type, then you have to use this technique, artificial variable technique or penalty method or big M method, you can say. Okay, so if constraint is a greater than equal to type, so what we have to do, we have to subtract a variable to left hand side, so our inequality is a convert into equality format. Okay, and also we have to introduce a artificial variable a1 a2 a3. We assign as a1 a2 a3 whatever negative slack variable or surplus variable you have, you have to introduce one variable for one equation which is known as the artificial variable. But after introducing this artificial variable, you have to pay a big penalty. Okay, that's why it is called penalty or big M method. Big penalty in an objective function by subtracting ma1 plus or ma2 in a right hand side. Okay, when we introduce select variable, we always write objective function as a 0 s1 0 s2 so on. But if it is in case of artificial variable, or if it is artificial variable, so we have to subtract ma1 in a right hand side. That's why it is called big M method or penalty method or artificial variable technique. So how to solve a LPP by using artificial variable technique? Let's check one example. Here we have a maximize z 3x1 minus x2 subject to the condition 2x1 plus x2 greater equal to 2, x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 3, x2 is a less than equal to 4, and non-negative restriction x1 x2 is a greater equal to 0. So step number 1, introducing a slack variable and artificial variable in a given equation. Maximum z which is equal to 3x1 plus x2 subject to the restriction 2x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 2, x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 3, x2 less than equal to 4 subject to the restriction x1 x2 greater equal to 0. Okay, so first of all we introduce slack variable or surplus variable. So let's see 2x1 plus x2 minus s1, why minus? Because it is greater than equal to type, so we have to subtract a variable as minus s1. Okay, yeah, or we write variable as a minus s1 plus a1. Why we write plus a1? Answer of this question, because uh, we have to make identity matrix in a simplex method, and the coefficient of s1 is a -1, so we introduce our artificial variable a1. x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 3, so in this equation x1 plus 3x2 plus s2 less than equal to type, so adding the variable in left hand side and it will become equality type. x2 plus s3 which is equal to 4, so we convert all the constraint into equality type by adding or by subtracting slack variable. Okay, now we have to write the all variable in objective function also. So z minus 3x1 minus x2 0 s1 0 s2 0 s3 plus ma1, we have to pay a penalty. That is why it is called big M method. The coefficient of artificial variable a1 in objective function is always m. Okay, either you can write that we have to write ma1 negative in a right hand side or positive in a left hand side. Okay, so let's check step number 2, remove artificial variable from equation 1 or from objective function by using row transformation. Okay, so we just writing here ma1, but this is our penalty. Okay, so we have to remove this in a, before solving this question we have to remove this ma1 from objective function or from equation number 1. Okay, how can you do that? So you just multiplied minus m with this, so minus m and plus m will become 0 after applying row transformation between equation number 1 and 2. So my first step to remove artificial variable in equation 1, we multiply minus m in equation 2, minus m in equation 2, so this will be your equation, and add equation number 1 and 2. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, you just add here, so your resultant objective function is like this only. Okay, and yes, x1, x2, s1, s2, s3 and a1 all are positive. So let us understand this question by using simplex method or simplex table. So we just write here objective function and all constraint in the standard form. In a simplex method we have three part, basically basic variable, coefficient of, and right hand side and the solution. Okay, so basic variable here we have a1, s2 and s3. The coefficient of a1 is 1, the coefficient of s2 is 1. In this equation the coefficient of s3 is 1. Okay, your question may be why not s1, because s1 has the answer of this question, because s1 has coefficient minus 1, so it will not make it your identity matrix. So that's why we introduce here artificial variable as a1, and that's why that is called artificial variable technique. Okay, coefficient of z, so z is minus 3 minus 2m, x2 here it is minus 1 minus m, s1 it is m, s2 0, s3 0 and a1 0, and right hand side is minus 2. Okay, in the next row a1 variable, so this equation number 2, 2 1 minus 1, s2 is not there so 0, s3 is not there so 0 and a1 is there, so coefficient of a1 is 1, right hand side is 2. Again in the next row, in next equation 1 3 0, s1 coefficient is 1, 0 0 and right hand side is 3, and the last one is 0 1 0 because no x1 no x3, s1 s2 is not there, so only we have to write coefficient of x2 and s3, and right hand side is 4. How to decide key element? Okay, so most negative number from a1 and minimum positive number from ratio. Okay, so in a1 row you can see it is minus 3 minus 2m and minus 1 minus m, other all values are positive. So in this two value, which is most negative value? Okay, so how can we decide this value is the most negative value? What is m here? So m is a positive number, minimum positive number which you can imagine. Okay, definition of m in many books are written as it is a minimum positive number that you can imagine, or you can say that it is 0.1, you can say that it is 0.0001, so that is your m. Okay, so minus 3 minus 2, so this will be your most negative value, so that will be decided your key column. Okay, now what about key row? So solution divided by that key column means this 2 value divided by 2, so it will be 1, that 3 value divided by 1, so it will be 3, and 4 value divided by 0, it will be infinity, which is not applicable. Okay, so minimum positive number from this is 1, so it will be your key element. Okay, where your key row and key column coincide. This will be your key element. How to decide key element? Okay, so most negative number from A1 and minimum positive number from ratio. Okay, so in A1 row you can see it is -3 -2m and -1 -m, other all values are positive. So in this two value, which is most negative value? Okay, so how can we decide this value is the most negative value? What is m here? So m is a positive number, minimum positive number which you can imagine. Okay, definition of m in many books are written as it is a minimum positive number that you can imagine, or you can say that it is 0.1, you can say that it is 0.0001. So that is your m. Okay, so -3 -2, so this will be your most negative value, so that will be decided your key column. Okay, now what about key row?
Next
So
step,
solution
step
divided by
number
that key
5,
column means this 2 value divided by 2,
now
so it will be 1. That
we
3
just
value
divide
divided
with
by 1, so
key
it will
element
be 3.
in
And 4 value
A1 row.
divided by 0,
So
it will
now
be
it will become
infinity, which
x1
is
because
not
x1 is
applicable.
incoming
Okay,
variable
so minimum
and
positive
A1 is
number from
outgoing
this
variable.
is 1,
So we write
so
here
it will
x1.
be your
So now divide with 2, so it will become 1.
Okay, where
Half
your
minus
key
half
row
0
and
0
key column
and A1
coincide.
we
This
delete
will
this
be
column
your
because it is our
key
outgoing variable.
element.
In most of the example you find that your artificial variable
How to decide
remove
key
first or
element?
it will be deleted
Okay,
first.
so most negative number
So
from
now
A1 and
about next part.
minimum
So
positive number from
after
ratio.
dividing key
Okay,
element,
so
in a next step what you
in
have to
A1 row
do,
you can see
you
it
have
is
to convert
-3
all the
-2m
element
and -1
other
-m,
than this
other all
in
values
x1
are
column.
positive.
You have to convert
So
all the element
in this two
into
value, which is
0.
most
Okay,
negative value?
so how can
Okay,
you convert
so
into
how
0?
can we
So
decide this
basically
value
you
is the
just have
most
to
negative value?
apply
What is
row
m here?
transformation.
So m
Okay,
is
so
a positive number, minimum positive
row
number which
transformation
you
of
can
this,
imagine.
that is 1.
Okay, definition
So
of m in many
I
books
just
are
have to
written as
subtract
it is
with
a
my new key
minimum
row
positive number that
with
you
this.
can imagine,
So
or
it will
you can
become
say
0.
that it is
It is already 0,
0.1,
so
you
no
can say
need to
that it is
do that
0.0001.
row
So that is your
transformation
m.
with
Okay,
this equation.
so
And upper one
-3
is -3
-2.
-2m,
So
so it will
this will
become
be
0
your
by
most negative value. So
multiplying
that will be
this
decided
equation
your
by minus, this
key
row by
column. Okay,
-3
now what
-2m.
about key
Okay,
row?
so you just
So
have to apply the
solution
row
divided by that
transformation.
key column means this
Okay,
2
you
value
can check
divided
the
by 2,
previous video
so
where
it will be
I
1.
have
That
mentioned
3
how to
value
apply
divided by
row
1, so it will
transformation
be
in a
3.
simplex table.
And 4 value divided
So
by 0,
here
it
I'm
will be
now focusing
infinity,
on
which is not
this part,
applicable. Okay,
that is
so
artificial
minimum
variable
positive
is
number from
deleted
this
now,
is
and
1,
your
so
new
it will
variable
be
or
your
new entering element or
key
variable is
element.
x1.
Okay,
Okay,
where
and
your
solution part,
key
it will
row
become
and
changed by
key
using that
column
row
coincide.
transformation.
This will be your key element. So in the next table you
Also can see that here we have
how
again
to
negative
decide
value.
key element.
So
Okay, so
again we go
most
with the
negative number
procedure of
from
simplex
A1
method. If you have a negative
and
value, so you select as a key
minimum
column,
positive number
and
from
ratio is
ratio.
a solution
Okay,
divided by
so
this. So this is
in
your
A1
ratio,
row you can
but you
see
can
it is
see here it
-3
is again not
-2m
applicable
and
value and one
-1
negative value. So
-m,
only
other all
positive
values are
value is a
positive.
4.
So
So
in this two value, which
this
is
will
most
become your
negative
key
value?
row, this will
Okay,
become your key
so how
column,
can we
and
decide
finally
this
this
value is the
half
most
value 1
negative
by
value?
2
What is
value,
m here?
it will
So
be your
m
key
is
element
a
value.
positive
Okay,
number,
or key element,
minimum
you can
positive
say
number
that.
which you can imagine.
In the
Okay,
next step,
definition of m
again
in
you
many books are written
have
as
to check
it is
that
a
what is your
minimum positive number that
entering
you can
element and
imagine, or
what is your outgoing
you can say
element.
that
So
it is 0.1, you can
incoming
say that it is
variable is
0.0001.
your s1,
So that is your m.
and
Okay,
outgoing variable
so
is your s2.
-3
So now you can see
-2,
here
so
basic variable is
this will
changed.
be
Now
your
it is
most
x1,
negative value, so that will
s1
be
and
decided
s3.
your
And
key column. Okay,
again you have
now
to divide
what
with
about
your
key row? So
key element, so
solution
it will
divided
become
by
1,
that key column means this 2
and
value
other all
divided by 2,
value
so it will be
is
1.
0
That 3 value divided
by
by
applying
1,
row
so it will be
transformation.
3. And 4
And
value divided by
now
0, it will be
you can
infinity, which
check
is
in
not
the next step,
applicable.
there
Okay,
is no
so
negative
minimum
value
positive
in
number
upper
from
part,
this is
no
1,
negative
so
value
it
in this
will be
part. So
your
this will be your final part of
element,
table
okay,
or final table,
where your
and this will
key
be your
row
solution.
and
So
key
what is your
column
solution? So z
coincide.
is
This will be
9,
your
x1
key
is 3,
element.
okay, your basic variable x1 is 3, x2 is not here, so x2
How
is
to decide
0.
key element?
Okay, so your optimal
Okay.
solution is z
So
is equal
most
to 9 will
negative
be your
number
optimal
from
solution.
A1
Thank you for
and
watching this. I hope you like the
minimum
video.
positive number from ratio.